What's up everyone, welcome back to the TIDRADIO Communications Instructional Channel. Today we're going to talk about the cloning function of the H3. This allows a user to copy over frequency data and other settings from one H3 to another using a wireless connection. So, how do you use this function? Let's look at the specific steps. First, we press and hold the bottom custom key and the star key while turning on the device to enter the wireless copy mode. Do this for both walkie-talkies. In this state, short press the bottom key of the device you wish to copy from to start the data transmission. During this process, the walkie-talkie will make some sounds. This is completely normal and indicates that data is being transmitted. If the sounds are too loud, you can lower the volume until the transmission is completed. To ensure successful data transmission, restart both of them. Check whether the data of the receiving H3, such as channel settings and frequencies, are exactly the same as the original H3. As you can see, this function greatly improves convenience and allows users to easily set up a new H3 even in an environment without a stable power supply or network connection. I hope this video helped you to better understand the cloning features of the H3. If it did, leave us a like. If it didn't, drop us a comment. Tell us where it went wrong. Thanks for watching.